Before watching the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. In this video, we are going to talk about all the must-have diabetes-friendly foods that you must have in your house to fight off the risk factors and reduce the severity of your symptoms. Before we start, it is important to remember that when it comes to diabetes, restricting unhealthy foods is more important than adding healthier alternatives. So, examine all the foods that you must eliminate, such as cakes, added sugar products, processed and frozen meals, and fast food items. Naturally, this might make you feel deprived and always craving, but if you replace them with delicious and nutritious food items, you can actually create a diabetes-friendly diet that is indulgent of your taste buds. 9 healthy foods for diabetic patients. 1. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an incredibly healthy food for diabetic-friendly carbohydrates, along with stocking up loads of vitamin A. Research reveals that this vitamin A allows sweet potatoes to aid in enhancing the functioning of cells that generate insulin. Moreover, sweet potatoes are loaded with heart-healthy vitamin C, and one medium-sized serving can pack up your body 4 grams of satiating fiber. However, since sweet potatoes pack up high concentrations of carbs, be sure to limit your portion. Keep in mind that one medium-sized sweet potato packs up 24 grams of carbs, so eat no more than 1 a day. 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural sweetening herb that will add a flavorful punch of sweetness to your daily cup of java, yogurt bowl, or oatmeal, eliminating the need for sugar and pack up your platter with countless nutritional benefits. Research reveals that cinnamon brings about an impressive improvement in reducing blood glucose levels by reducing the absorption of carbs, allowing cells to readily absorb insulin. The best part is, you don't even need to consume it in large quantities to enjoy these benefits. All it takes is half a teaspoon of cinnamon a day. 3. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables, such as kale, Swiss chard, and spinach, are nutritional powerhouses that pack up an extremely low density of calories, making them the healthiest choice for diabetic patients and those who have vulnerability for the disease and seek to reduce their risk factors. Green leafy vegetables are packed with impressively high amounts of vitamin C and polyphenols, which boost extraordinary antioxidant benefits that aid in reducing the risk factors of type 2 diabetes. Moreover, they are loaded with high doses of magnesium, a mineral that is instrumental in fighting off insulin resistance. 4. Avocados. This intensely creamy and rich fruit is loaded with an impressive concentration of heart-healthy fats and fiber, which aid in reducing sudden insulin spikes by stabilizing blood sugar levels. However, avocados are also packed up with calories, so be sure to consume them in mindful portions. For instance, half serving of a medium-sized avocado contains more than 180 calories, which is just the same amount found in a generous tablespoon of mayonnaise or a slice of cheese. 5. Beans. Beans are a nutritional powerhouse that must always be stored up in your pantry, especially canned black beans and chickpeas, along with lentils, which are so easy to cook. Beans are packed with protein and fiber, which aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Moreover, the benefits of consuming beans regularly are far too impressive to ignore. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is truly the most versatile and healthiest dairy product. It has a much greater concentration of protein as compared to regular yogurt varieties, along with being low in carbohydrates. The impressive concentration of protein in Greek yogurt allows it to promote satiety for longer hours, which reduces the risk of blood sugar spikes. However, it is important to consume plain Greek yogurt as opposed to varieties with artificial flavors, unnecessary carbs, and heaps of added sugar. If you want to sweeten it up, load it up with berries, chopped apples or peaches, chia seeds, mixed nuts and pomegranate seeds. 7. Berries. Berries are the healthiest snack to satisfy your sweet cravings without consuming any harmful processed or added sugar. These colorful delights are loaded with antioxidants and fiber, which regulate blood sugar levels and aid in preventing the risk factors of heart disease. We strongly urge you to enjoy fresh berry during their season. However, frozen berries are just as nutritious and offer the same benefits as fresh ones. What's more, they're much more affordable, but make sure you don't pick out frozen berries that are loaded with preservatives or added sugar. 8. Nuts. Unsalted and unprocessed nuts are the go-to staple for an energizing pick-me-up snack between your regular meals. Experts recommend the consumption of unsalted nuts due to their impressive concentration of healthy fats, fiber and protein, which promotes satiation. These nutrients aid in regulating blood sugar levels as high doses of magnesium, which aids in fighting off insulin resistance. However, experts strongly recommend consuming no more than a 1-ounce serving per day because nuts tend to pack a lot of calories. 1 ounce would roughly make up around 18 cashews or even 24 almonds. 9. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as barley, oats, quinoa and brown rice, despite being loaded with carbs, are impressively rich in fiber, which is digested with a slow-burning mechanism that is much slower than the digestion rate of fiber-less refined carbs, found in white breads and rice. Adding whole grains to your daily diet will bring about remarkable improvements in blood sugar regulation. However, be sure to consume mindful portions, for 1/3 portion of cooked whole grains pack up 15 grams of carbs. These are the 9 food that has been recommended for diabetic with volumes of research and expert advice. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.